So what I got going on here is my indoor greenhouse. In the back there I have my Roma tomatoes, some just jalapenos. Down there I have the strawberries that I transplanted from the runners. You notice that little bottle right there? I save a lot of these. Well, the reason is I use them to water the plants, but also from a prepper standpoint, I save these bottles so that I have water all the time in the house in case I need it. There's another strawberry that I'm going to grow. It's easy to grow strawberries indoors because they're self-pollinating. In fact, all these plants are, except for maybe the avocado trees that I started. And you can see that that's the one I started. You saw me start a while back. That one's a newer one. That one was a find in the compost pile. And then I'm going to grow some bush beans because they're also self-pollinating, and I'll get a few beans off them every day or so for cooking. You know, you don't have to cook everything all at once. You can always mix matched up potatoes and beans and peppers. And then of course over here I have my some of my herbs, my basils growing down there. And down here I'm growing some spicy salad mix for salads and stuff, and it's really feasible to grow it. I grow it all the time in this indoor greenhouse during the winter. I run this off of about anywhere from 400 to 1200 watts of panels, off grid, so I don't spend any money on electricity, and it's also a good backup. I have another system that I'm currently not using that can be used to run the heater in the house, or an oil-filled heater or something like that. So in case the power goes out, I still have power. So think about solar and wind as you're going along. Some people, it's very simple for them just to get something like a Blue Yeti for emergencies. There's other stuff out there that's better. Really endorse those, but those are useful for the average person that doesn't have a technical background. Alright, thanks for watching, and next video, hopefully, we'll be seeing some of this stuff pop up, like the beans and the spicy salad mix, and we'll be picking some strawberries. And of course we're going to be picking tomatoes. As you can see, got quite a few of them. The Roma tomatoes, that's what I cook with mostly. I've already done the harvest, so I've already done the harvest outside, so I've got a big box of tomatoes. I'll let them ripen up. Since we got a frost a couple days ago, I had to pull stuff from the garden and save what I wanted to save and put it indoors. So I got tomatoes. I'm going to have some type of spicy salad mix. Beans. Outside I have I already started some regular gourmet lettuce in big pots like the ones that you see in the strawberries. And those will be brought indoors as soon as it gets too cold for them, but they're very cold tolerant. And of course those are actually self-pollinating too. A lot of stuff is self-pollinating you can grow indoors that will produce fruit. And tomatoes, for the most part, are. And so are peppers. Thanks for watching. I'll be doing an update on the indoor greenhouse soon.